Welcome. Welcome back to Health Today. You're going to learn a key piece of aging backwards, how to naturally increase and boost hyaluronic acid naturally for skin, joints, and glow. Do you know that we don't have to eat bacteria-formulated health products, inject our faces with a substance that's known to migrate, or slather our skin with lotions and potions that accomplish nothing but money down the toilet? We don't do puff here. We don't do fake or filler. We do proven internal and external skin beauty, real repair, real regeneration. And today, I'm going to show you how to actually rebuild your body's natural hyaluronic acid, the kind that creates deep skin, hydration, elasticity, and glow. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you the HA Regeneration Stack that actually works. No needles, no gimmicks, no bacteria-formulated compounds or empty promises, just real science and skin that rebuilds itself. I'm Michelle Hamel, an advanced wellness consultant, clinical skincare specialist, and former clinical microscopist who went beyond the scope to find what really regenerates our body and our skin. In this episode, I'll give you my 5-part stack: aloe, MSM, chlorophyll, red urine for light, and methylene blue. Let's start with a truth bomb. Most products marketed as hyaluronic acid don't work. Not topicals, not the fermented liquids, and not the injections. Topicals actually can dry your skin out, pulling water from deeper layers to the surface and then evaporating off. And by the way, all those expensive hyaluronic acid creams, they don't penetrate deeply enough to hydrate where it counts. That's why people who use them for months and still have dry, sagging under eyes are greatly displeased. A 2011 study in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology confirmed topical hyaluronic acid has limited penetration, meaning it can't reach the deeper layers of the skin where real hydration happens. And there's more to the story. Starting with hyaluronic acid supplements. This is really interesting. Most internal supplements are made from bacterial fermentation of grains. Not ideal if you're trying to regenerate, right? And injections. They can leave you with that puffy filler face that looks more waterlogged than youthful. Plus, hyaluronic acid injections have been documented to migrate to other areas of the face, not just where you want them. So what's the solution? There's real hyaluronic acid, the kind your body makes naturally, that depletes through time. By age 50, the skin's hyaluronic acid content is often reduced by half, and the appearance of our skin and the pain in our joints lets us know all about it. The great news is, when you turn on those internal hyaluronic skin building switches I'm about to share, you don't need to inject anything, eat fermented bacteria, or throw your money down the drain with topicals, because your own fibroblasts, the very cells that produce hyaluronic acid, collagen, and elastin, will take care of it. Stay tuned. Here's my 5-part natural hyaluronic building protocol that's science-based. But first, I'm not a doctor. This podcast is for educational purposes only. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting a new protocol. Okay, let's get going. Starting with aloe, the Fibroblast activator. Aloe isn't just a soothing after sun gel, it's a hyaluronic acid stimulator. Preclinical studies have shown that acemannan polysaccharides from aloe vera significantly increase fibroblast activity and hyaluronic acid secretion in human skin cells. Another study confirmed aloe's ability to stimulate both collagen and hyaluronic acid production in dermal fibroblasts. How exciting. And here's a powerful detail. Aloe vera also naturally boosts sulfur levels in your body, which matters because sulfur is a building block for collagen and hyaluronic acid. Knowing this, I grow my own aloe in the garden and harvest it fresh. I fillet a large aloe leaf every morning and blend half of it into my daily shake to increase hyaluronic acid production. To boost it even more, I add 1 teaspoon of MSM. MSM is also a sulfur delivery system. MSM is a natural sulfur compound that helps deliver nutrients into cells and supports collagen matrix formation. In one clinical study, women who took 3 grams of MSM daily for 16 weeks saw measurable increases in skin firmness, tone, and hydration. But even more exciting, a preclinical bioengineering study found that MSM not only enhances fibroblast function, it also increases hyaluronic acid-related pathways directly. That makes MSM a key sulfur donor and nutrient delivery agent. It supports collagen and hyaluronic acid from the inside out. This makes MSM the perfect partner to aloe in your skin and joint regeneration stack. The next important player is chlorophyll, the hyaluronidase inhibitor, and this one might surprise you. One preclinical study using chlorella-derived chlorophyll extract showed a significant increase in fibroblast creation and mitochondrial activity, both of which are required for hyaluronic acid and collagen production. Even better, 2 studies I love show that sodium copper chlorophyll, a common form found in high quality chlorophyll, can actually block hyaluronidase, the enzyme that breaks down your body's hyaluronic acid. What a nasty enzyme. That's right. Chlorophyll not only helps you make more hyaluronic acid, it helps you keep it longer. Different forms like magnesium-based and iron-based chlorophylline are also effective. When you drink chlorophyll, mist it on your skin or stack it with red light, you're prepping your skin's fibroblasts to regenerate, hydrate, and rebuild from within. Be sure to listen to my skin regeneration episode to learn more. Moving on to red and near-infrared light, gene-level skin activation. Are you ready to flip the switch? This is so important. Let's go. Red and near-infrared light have been clinically proven to activate HAS2, hyaluronic acid synthesis. HAS2 is the gene responsible for creating hyaluronic acid in your skin and joints. In a 2021 study, red light therapy increased HAS2 gene expression in collagen and elastin synthesis and human dermal fibroblast. This is real regeneration, my friends, and I use red and near-infrared almost daily as it is an important catalyst to hyaluronic acid production. I personally use Hygge red near-infrared light panels. They offer clinical-grade light therapy at home, and I've been using the light for years. Find the panel you love at hyggehealth.com and use my code longevity12 for 12% off your order. That's longevity12 at checkout. Remember, red light isn't just glow, it's gene level repair. Another very important player in your hyaluronic journey is methylene blue, the cellular regenerator. Finally, methylene blue, the molecule that ties it all together. In one study, methylene blue was shown to reverse aging in human skin fibroblast, increasing collagen, elastin, hydration, and skin thickness. Another study confirmed that MB promotes fibroblast production and migration. These studies confirm methylene blue's effect on skin fibroblasts, and since hyaluronic acid is synthesized by fibroblasts via HAS genes, MB is an important player in hyaluronic acid production. And I use it 2 ways. Here they are. 1 drop of 1% MB in my daily mist paired with chlorophyll, followed by the rest of my skin rejuvenation stack. Plus, I also use 15 drops orally and a quart of filtered alkalized water each morning to support full body cellular regeneration. Subscribe today so you don't miss the next episode in this longevity series. and to support my mission. Each episode takes hours to create, and your subscription helps me keep delivering these empowering root cause wellness protocols. Quick note, the methylene blue I use is Compass Labs pharmaceutical grade formula. It's third-party tested, USP grade, and the exact quality I trust for mitochondrial repair and cell regeneration. I've also heard that Dr. Brandon Crawford, a chiropractor with advanced neurology training and a well-known speaker on methylene blue, uses Compass products in his own work. Head to compasslabs.com, and to support my work, use code Michelle Hamel for 10% off. That's Michelle Hamel, all caps, no spaces. Start slow, start low, and only use pharmaceutical grade methylene blue with your doctor's approval. Here's a great testimonial. One of my clients used this entire protocol, and after just 3 weeks, her dry, crepey skin was visibly hydrated, plumper, and radiant. If you want more details about that exact skin mist and the full protocol, again, check out my previous episode, my Advanced Skin Rejuvenation Stack. It breaks everything down, and it's one you don't want to miss. In conclusion, let's bring this unique information full circle. You don't need gimmicks, overpriced eye creams, or hyaluronic acid injections that migrate and distort your natural beauty. You need cellular fuel to create your natural hyaluronic production, fibroblast power. You need real ingredients that turn back the biological clock, and this 5-part stack, again, is a game changer. Aloe, MSM, chlorophyll, red, near-infrared light, and methylene blue. A mitochondrial regeneration blueprint that tells your skin, hydrate, repair, rebuild. Because when you activate the inside regeneration, the outside can finally shine. And next time, we're going somewhere powerful, into a natural protocol that helped me bounce back from real joint pain using DMSO, red light, chlorophyll, and methylene blue. But it's how you use them synergistically that makes the magic happen. This next episode is packed with joint-saving science and real-world results. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it. For more tips and to book an A to Z wellness consultation, visit www.backtohealthtoday.com. Again, if this episode helped you, hit subscribe and leave a comment. It really helps spread the word so others can discover real regenerative solutions. Until next time, stay curious, stay vibrant. Your friend in health, Michelle Hamel.